Hello friends, I'm Vertiu. Today we'll be building a custom watch. I'm putting on some gloves so we don't get smudges over our watch build. This is the watch movement. It's a quartz powered Seiko VH31, so it uses battery. This is the case, and it's case back on inside the plastic case right there. I'm using the dust blower here to blow any dust that sticks inside the case. Now that's the case back cover. This is the dial. It's a pink Rolex Explorer dial. This is the hour hands, minute hands, and second hands. Here is the watch band, the battery, and a thread locker to fix in the crown and the stamp. I'm taking off the adhesive for the dial to stick on so it doesn't move around or rotate inside the watch case. I once again make sure there's no dust sticking on the dial. I also use a flashlight to see if there's any micro dust sticking on the dial. Okay, now I gently put the dial onto the movement. I'm taking out the second hands, the minute hands, and the hour hands from its plastic bag onto a small plate so I can easily take it out and start assembling them onto the movement. Okay, we first start with the hour hand.
Nice.
I'm using this hand setting tool to fix in the hour hand on its post, and I'm going to do the same thing for the minute hand as well as the second hand. Now I'm winding the crown to see if the hour hand can do a full 12-hour rotation and making sure that it does not collide with the hours marker. Time to set the minute hand now. I'm repeating the same process like previously to make sure that the minute hand can do a full rotation and that it does not collide with the hour hand that is underneath it. Also making sure that the hour hand stops exactly at an hour marker while the minute hand is at a 12 o'clock position. Okay, now we're setting the second hand.
Oh, we're still on the set. What? Moment of truth.
I'm so happy to see that the second hand runs. It means we've successfully assembled all of the hands on this watch. Finally, time to put the movement inside the casing. I'm making sure here that the slot for the stem on the movement aligns straight with the crown post. I'm measuring the length of the stem that I need to cut off in order to make the crown sit flush on the casing. I'm marking the part that needs cutting. I'm applying thread locker onto the stem to prevent the crown from getting unscrewed from the stem.
Nice.
Since this is a press fit case back, I'm using household items and a book to seal the case back shut. Now I'm putting on the watch band. The watch band are held on securely by these spring bars.
Go.
There we have it. We just finished our build. Let's see how it looked like on my 6-inch wrist.